These two AP questions can easily score you full marks in the board exam if you know the right method. If pth term is q and qth term is p, then show that nth term is p plus q minus n. Let a be first term and d be common difference. Therefore, pth term equal to a plus p minus 1 multiply d. In the question, it is given pth term equal to q, therefore a plus p minus 1 multiply d is equal to q, equation number 1. Also a plus q minus 1 multiply d equal to p, equation number 2. We get q minus p multiply d equal to p minus q or d equal to minus 1. Putting d equal to minus 1 in equation number 1, we get the value of a, which is p plus q minus 1. Now applying general term of nth term, which is a plus n minus 1 multiply d, and putting the first term value and common difference value, and after simplifying we get nth term, which is p plus q minus n, hence it is the required result. Now be careful, question number 2 looks simple, but this is where most students go wrong. Just follow the step. The question is m times of the mth term of an AP equal to n times the nth term, and m is not equal to n, so that its m plus nth term is equal to 0. At first we have to write given AP, mth term equal to a plus m minus 1 multiply d and nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. According to the statement, m times mth term equal to n times nth term. Now multiply the whole terms, we get am plus m square d minus md minus na minus n square d plus nd equal to 0. Now after taking common, which is a multiply m minus n plus d multiply m square minus n square minus d multiply m minus n equal to 0. Now using identity a square minus b square, take d multiply m minus n common, so inside bracket m plus n minus 1 equal to 0. Again m minus n is common, so remaining term is a plus d multiply m plus n minus 1 equal to 0. Now arranging the terms, we can write m minus n multiply, and this entire term is m plus nth term equal to 0. In the question, the statement is m is not equal to n, so m minus n also not equal to 0. So we can say m plus nth term equal to 0, hence m plus nth term is 0, hence the required result. Save this video for revision before your exam.